Hi students, welcome to NSR IIT and NEET Academy. This is the 12th session of integration for senior inter students. So in this session we are going to discuss or solve fourth method or fourth type of integrals. So fourth type of integral in the form of integration of 1 by px plus q into square root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx. In third method, numerator we have px plus q and denominator we have square root of ax square plus bx plus c, or without square root of ax square plus bx plus c, and also integration of px plus q into square root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx. So the three integral forms of third method. This is the fourth method. So denominator, numerator we have only one, denominator we have both the functions px plus q and ax square plus bx plus c into dx. If the integral in this term, so first step 1, let us consider px plus q equal to 1 by t. So take it as equation number 1. So by using this equation 1, this is step 1. So using this px plus q equal to 1 by t, using this we can find x comma, using equation 1 find x comma t and dx. Find x, t and dx. So after find x, dx and t, in step 3 substitute x, t and dx, substitute here only t and dx in given integral. Given integral means given question. So given integral form, then this integral form total x terms changes into t terms. Total x terms changes into t terms. So in step 4, simplify that t terms integral, simplify and final integral write in terms of x. In terms of x means the final answer we have in t terms. So in place of again t, substitute this x value, so we get the final integral value. So this is about fourth method. So in fourth method, first take it as px plus q equal to 1 by t. Using this one, we have to find x and small t and dx. After that, substitute this t and dx in given integral. The total given integral term dx, x terms all changes into t terms. So after simplify the t term integral, so in final integral value again we write in terms of x, that is the final integral value. So this is about fourth method. So this is first question of fourth method. So integration 1 by 1 plus x into square root of 3 plus 2x minus x square equal to dx. So let 1 plus x is equal to 1 by t. This is px plus q. So take it as equation number 1. Using this we can find x, t and dx. So here x is equal to 1 by t minus 1. 1 move that side, we get minus 1. Now x equal to 1 minus t into 1 t by t. So this is x value. So same using this t multiply here, 1 plus x move this side, we get t equal to 1 by 1 plus x. So we get x value, t value. So equation 1 both side differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x, we get, so 1 differentiation 0, x differentiation 1 equal to 1 by t differentiation is minus 1 by t square into t with respect to x. So we can write dt by dx. So dx multiply here, we get dx is equal to minus 1 by t square into dt. So we get x value, t value and dx value. So substitute x and dx value here. So we get integration 1 by 1 plus x into square root of 3 plus 2x minus x square into dx is equal to integration 1 by 1 plus x value is 1 by t into square root of 3 plus 2 into x value 1 minus t by t. So x value is 1 minus t by t minus x square 1 minus t by t whole square into dx. So dx value is minus 1 by t square into dt. Now total x terms changes into t terms. Next integration 1 by t into square root of 3 plus 2 into 1 2 into 2t by t minus, here apply a minus b whole square formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab by t square into minus 1 by t square into dt. Now integration 1 by t into square root of, here LCM is t square. So 3 multiply here 3t square plus here multiply 1t, why? Because here only 1t is there. So 2t minus 2t square minus, so here minus multiply here minus 1 minus t square plus 2t whole by t square. So square root of t square is t, so whole by t into minus 1 by t square into dt. Now t into t square. So 1 by t square move upside, we get t square by square root of 3t square minus 2t square minus t square minus 2t square minus t square minus 3t square plus 3t square get cancelled. 2t plus 2t 4t minus 1 into minus 1 by t square into dt. Now t square get cancelled. So we get integration of, minus 1 by square root of 4t minus 1. So we get minus of integration 1 by square root of 4t minus 1 into dt. Now integration 1 by square root of 4t minus 1, integration 1 by root x 2 root x by, again differentiate this, we get 4. So write in denominator plus c. Now 2 2s are 4 minus of square root of 4 into t minus 1 by 2. In place of t again substitute, t value is 1 by 1 plus x. So 1 by 1 plus x by 2 plus c. Now minus of square root of, so 1 by 2 right here. So square root of 4 plus, so 1 plus x into minus 1 of minus of 1 plus x by 1 plus x plus c. So minus 1 by 2 into square root of 4 minus 1 minus x by 1 plus x plus c, we get minus 1 by 2 into square root of 3 minus x by 1 plus x plus c. So this is our final integral value. So integration of 1 by 1 plus x into square root of 3 plus 2x minus x square into dx value is minus 1 by 2 into square root of 3 minus x by 1 plus x plus c. So next question, integration of 1 by 1 minus x into square root of 3 minus 2x minus x square into dx. So let us consider 1 minus x is equal to 1 by t. Now minus x move that side, 1 minus 1 by t equal to x. So t into 1 t minus 1 by t equal to x. Now x value is t minus 1 by t. Now using this one, t equal to 1 by 1 minus x. Next, equation 1, both side differentiate with respect to x. So 1 differentiation 0, minus x differentiation minus 1 equal to 1 by t differentiation minus 1 by t square into dt by dx. So both side minus minus get cancelled, we get dx is equal to 1 by t square into dt. Now substitute here x and dx values. So we get 1 by 1 minus x into square root of 3 minus 2x minus x square into dx. 1 by 1 minus x value is 1 by t. Now 1 by t square root of 3 minus 2 into x, t minus 1 by t minus x square, t minus 1 by t whole square into dx. So dx value is 1 by t square. So here write 1 by t square into dt. This is dx value. Now equal to integration of 1 by t into square root of, so here 3 minus 2t minus 2, minus into minus plus 2 by t minus a minus b whole square, apply here t square plus 1 minus 2t by t square into 1 by t square into dt. Now integration of 1 by t into square root of, here LCM t square. So 3t square minus 2t square plus 2t minus t square minus 1 plus 2t by t square. So square root of t square is t. So by t into 1 by t square into dt. Now t into t square, we get integration of t square by square root of, so 3t square minus 2t square minus t square minus 3t square. So plus 3t square minus 3t square get cancelled, 2t plus 2t 4t minus 1 into 1 by t square into dt. Now t square get cancelled, so we get integration of 1 by square root of 4t minus 1 into dt. Now integration 1 by root x, 1 by root x, 2 root x by, again differentiate 4t minus 1, we get 4, right in denominator plus c. So 2 2 is 4, we get square root of 4 into t. T value is 1 by 1 minus x minus 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 right here. So we get 1 minus x into 1. So 1 by 2 into square root of 4 minus of 1 minus x by 1 minus x plus c. Now 1 by 2 into square root of 4 minus 1 plus x by 1 minus x plus c. So final integral value is 1 by 2 into 3 plus x by 1 minus x. 3 plus x by 1 minus x square root plus c. So this is our final integral value. So next question number 19, integration of 1 by 1 plus x plus 1 into square root of 2x square plus 3x plus 1 into dx. So first let us consider, let x plus 1 equal to 1 by t. Now take it as equation number 1. Using this, write first x value. X is equal to 1 by t minus 1. Now x is equal to 1 by 1 minus t by t. Now using equation 1, write t value, t equal to 1 by x plus 1. So t multiply here x plus 1 multiply here, we get t value 1 by x plus 1. Now both side equation 1 both side differentiate with respect to x. So x differentiation 1 plus 1 differentiation 0 equal to 1 by t differentiation minus 1 by t square into dt by dx. Now dx is equal to minus 1 by t square into dt. Now substitute this x and dx values in this integration. So we get 1 by x plus 1 into square root of 2x square plus 3x plus 1 into dx equal to integration 1 by x plus 1 value 1 by t square root of 2 into x square 1 minus t by t whole square plus 3 into t 3 into x 1 minus t by t plus 1 into dx minus 1 by t square into dt. Now equal to integration of 1 by t. Now here apply a minus b whole square, we get 2 into 1 plus t square minus 2t by t square plus 3 minus 3t by t plus 1 into minus 1 by t square into dt. Now integration 1 by t. So here LCM is t square. So 2 multiply here 2 plus 2t square minus 4t. 2 into 2t 4t. So here t multiply here 3t minus 3t square plus t square. So whole by square root of t square is t into minus 1 by t square into dt. Now t into t square we can write integration t square by square root of 2t square plus t square 3t square minus 3t square get cancel. Next 2 minus 4t minus 3t minus t into minus 1 by t square into dt. T square get cancel. So we get minus integration of 1 by square root of 2 minus t into dt. Now minus integration of 1 by root x 2 root x 2 into root 2 minus t, again differentiate we get minus, right here minus 1 plus c. Now minus get cancel, in place of t write 1 by x plus 1 plus c. So simplify it. So we get the final integral value. So 2 into square root of 2 of x plus 1 minus by x plus 1 plus c. 2 into square root of 2 into x 2x plus 2 minus 1 by x plus 1 plus c. So 2 into square root of 2x plus 1 by x plus 1 plus c. So this is our final integral value. So our final integral value is 2 into square root of 2x plus 1 by x plus 1 plus c. So this is our next question, integration 1 by 1 plus root x into square root of x minus x square into dx. So this question not in a fourth method. Why? Because fourth method is px plus q into square root of x square plus bx plus c. So inside the root we have a same term x square plus bx plus c, but here we have 1 plus root px, but we have here px plus q. So q is there, q plus root px. So first changes this root into px. So let us consider, let root x is equal to k. Root x equal to k. Squaring on both sides, we get x is equal to k square. Now both sides differentiate with respect to x. So we get x differentiation 1 equal to k square differentiation 2k into k with respect to x dk by dx. Now dx is equal to 2k into dk. So substitute this x and root x and dx values here. So we get integration 1 by 1 plus root x into x minus x square into dx equal to integration 1 by 1 plus k square root of x value k square minus x square k power 4 into dx 2k into dk. Now equal to integration 1 by 1 plus k into, so here take it as common k square, we get k square root of 1 minus k square into 2k into dk. Now k get cancelled, so we get 2 by 1 plus k into square root of 1 minus k square into dk. Now this root value and this 1 plus root px changes into 1 by px plus q into square root of ax square plus bx plus c. Now let us consider 1 plus k equal to 1 by t. So take it as equation number 1. So using this equation 1, find t and k values, we get k equal to 1 by t minus 1. So 1 minus t by t, and by using this equation write t value, t is equal to 1 by 1 plus k. Now equation 1 both side differentiate with respect to t, with respect to k. Why? Because 1 by t in terms of k. So with respect to k, so 1 differentiation 0, k differentiation 1, and 1 by t differentiation minus 1 by t square into dt by dk. So dk multiply here, we get dk equal to minus 1 by t square into dt. So substitute here, we get integration 2 by, so 1 plus k equal to 1 by t, integration of 1 minus k square 1 minus t by t whole square into dk minus 1 by t square into dt. Now simplify this. Integration 2 by 1 by t into integration of 1 minus 1 by t whole square. Apply here a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab by t square into minus 1 by t square into dt. Now 2 by 1 by t into square root of t square minus t square minus 1 minus t square plus 2t by square root of t square is t into minus 1 by t square into dt. Now t into t square, we can write 2t square by, so plus t square minus t square get cancelled, square root of root 2t minus 1 into minus 1 by t square into dt. Now t square get cancelled, minus 2 by, so minus 2 write also outside, 1 by 2t minus 1 into dt. Now integration 1 by root x, 1 by root x is 2 root x by 2t minus 1 differentiation is 2, so plus c, so 2 get cancelled, so minus 2 into in place of t, so in place of t write in k terms t is equal to, so here already we are taking 1 plus k equal to 1 by t, now t equal to 1 by 1 plus k, so here write 1 by 1 plus k minus 1 plus c, so in place of k write x terms, so in place of k we are already taking first root x is equal to k, now x square equal to x equal to k square, so in place of k write root x, so we get minus 2 into 2 by 1 plus root x minus 1 plus c. Now it can write minus 2 into 2 minus 1 minus root x by 1 plus root x plus c. So we can write 1 minus root x by 1 plus root x. So this is our final integral value. So our final integral value is minus 2 into square root of 1 minus root x by 1 plus root x plus c.